Hello and welcome to 100 Days of Soccer. So this is a physical session. At first we are doing dynamic stretches. This stretch is for shoulder. It's called shoulder, rotation. And you're just rotating shoulder both ways. And then you can focus on one shoulder at a time just to get your bloods running and ready for any kind of workout. Okay, so we're gonna do few shoulder rotation and individual rotation. Now we are rotating our toe or our ankle, okay, and we can go in one direction and then we can switch the direction, okay, and do the same for the other leg. Make sure to do both directions just to get your ankles in a good fluid motion. Okay, so this is just raising your leg and press on your knee. Okay, these are all very effective and very important for you to be active and not get injured. Okay, so this is just reaching for your calf muscle and just stretching. Now we're just getting our leg together. This will help you with your whole leg movement and prevent injuries, and if there are injuries, this will help heal those injuries. Okay, so if you are injured, take it easy. If you are tired, take it easy. But if you are not tired, if you have the energy, go for more than 10. Okay, so this is a exercise for workout. At the same time, it's also very effective in a game because you can take power shots if you keep doing this every day, and this will just help with the movement. And this is the same thing, but it will help with your groin. So just have a wall or something next to you and just do this in a motion. Okay, and I'm just fast forwarding. Just make sure to do for both leg and make sure to do a couple, like 10. So this is going to be a exercise for your leg. Okay, it's called a front squat. Basically just grabbing something, some kind of weight, and just doing a front squat. You don't even have to have weights, just do front squats without weight in the beginning, and as you get comfortable you can add more weights. Okay, so I'm just starting with a bar, and hopefully I will improve and progress, and when I do, I'll increase my weight. Okay, now we're moving on to second exercise. These are all strength exercise. So this is for your upper body, and this will also help your shoulder. So this is very effective, especially when you're in a game, and when you're physically strong, you will be much more effective than if you are physically not strong. Okay, so if you keep doing this regularly, you will be stronger, and you'll be physically stronger and technically intelligent. Okay, so but the important part of any game is also your strength. Okay, so the stronger you are, the better performance you will do. This is for your leg and your core. Okay, so this is very effective, especially because your core is the center of all your strength. Okay, so you have to train your core. So I'm just fast forwarding just to make sure that you see what I'm doing. So this is the same thing but from a different angle. Okay, now we are moving on to next exercise. This is for your shoulder and for your delt, or for your back muscle, upper back. Okay, and these are all very effective and important for your physical strength. Now I'm doing a jumping drill, basically just pretending there is a ball and I'm trying to head the ball. At first I am not trying to head the ball because I just want to get the movement in, and once I feel comfortable, I'll pretend there is a ball and I'll try to head it. The more you do this, the better you will get. So keep doing this, preferably every day or every session. Do more than 10. Okay, and then do as many as time permits. Now we are moving on to a box jump. So this is a great exercise, especially because this will give you control of the ball or the game in the air, and you'll be more confident as a player. So do box jumps maybe 5 to 10 times depending on your strength and energy for the day. but I would do 10 times and I would do them regularly. And just follow what I'm doing and try to land nicely. And this is a whole motion exercise, so make sure to do the whole motion. So this one is just to have a fast feet. Pretend there is something like a cone there and try to jump over it. And this is, I don't have a cone or else it would make much more sense. So pretending there's a cone or there's two cones, I'm just going from one cone to another. Okay, so I'm just changing directions now. And this is another jumping drill which is very effective in a game. So basically you're just jumping over obstacles. Okay, so now moving on to cool down stretches to prevent injuries. First we're just reaching for the sky, and then just for upper body and for the hamstring as well, and then trying to reach for the knee. Okay, okay, now we're gonna try to reach for our toes. Okay, and then just grab our calf muscles. This will do whole hamstring and calf stretch. And now we are opening our groin. Okay, you can just do this movement or you can try to reach for the floor, whichever you prefer, and open up your groin. This way you will not get injured when you run a lot and when you try to overrun or overstride when you're in a game. Okay, thank you.